Good day, my name is Jabez Campo. I'm 24 years old. I am currently living at Mahabang Parang, Angon, Luzon. I graduated at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Manila, with a course of Bachelor of Science in Clinical Psychology. I saw your advertisement in the papers yesterday and I want to apply on any position suitable for me at your HR department. I am a Filipino citizen, 5 feet and 4 inches in height, and 110 pounds. I can speak Tagalog and English fluently. I took up primary and secondary education at the province of Bicol, and I also took up computer programming NC4 at AMA Computer Learning Center and graduated as most outstanding student. I previously worked at SM Ortigas HR department as an applicant interviewer for 2 years. My reason of leaving is my urge to have more experience from any other company like yours, and I want to grab any open opportunity for me. I am a hardworking, honest, and time-oriented person, and I promise your company a very nice performance for any job you would be given me. Thank you, and I will highly appreciate it when you respond positively with my application.